Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit text in a shape in Google Docs. Open your Docs file. Now I will edit this text from the shape. Now select this shape and now select edit option. Now double click on this shape and here you will find this cursor. Now you can edit this text. First I will change this text font color. Choose this option and select here. Yes. Also choose change font size and make this italic font color. Also I can underline. Type new text. Now align this text. Select this align option. You can bottom this shape text and this center. Also you can align justify, align center. Also you can add bullet point. This is this one. Also you can highlight color, this color. This is highlighted. Yeah. Also you can see this font style. This one. This is. Now select save and close. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.